Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to implement AI agent to search on the internet for latest updated information. So for this we will use local LLM that we have set up to OLLAMA on our local machine, and LLM don't have access to the internet because it is running locally and it does not have latest updates such as weather or news. So we will use AI agent with tools to search on the internet. And if you don't know about AI agent and tools, so I have complete video tutorial on that and you can find the link in the description. So with further ado, let's get started. So I am in my ID, and here we will install the required dependencies such as Langchain, Langchain community and Langchain OLLAMA. So we will use Langchain AI agents and LLM, and as we are using local LLM, so that is why we need Langchain OLLAMA. And then we will ignore the warnings. So for that we will use this line of code, and we will use a LLM model which is gamma 2 and with 9 billion parameters. So I have already downloaded this model. So if I go here and if I say like OLLAMA list on my command prompt, so these are the models that are available in my local system. And for this we will use gamma 2, that is with 9 billion parameters. It is by Google. And then we will, here we are initializing a simple LLM, and we are creating a prompt that is we are saying that you are a helpful AI assistant, answer the following question. And we are creating a chain with a prompt and LLM. So we are initializing LLM with OLLAMA LLM model, and we are passing model that is gamma 2 with 9 billion parameters. And then we are asking the question like, what is the current weather in New York, USA? So as we know, this LLM model, it has been trained on the information, but it don't have access to the current or updated information. So it tells us that I do not have access to real-time information, including weather updates. To get the current weather in New York, USA, I recommend checking a reliable weather website or app. So as you know, like this is the limitation if we are using a simple LLM for updated information, because this simple LLM, it don't have updated information, and it is trained on some information available on the like previously available on the internet. So to overcome this problem, we can create an AI agent, and we will use a search tool. So there are a lot of search tools are available, and we will use DuckDuckGo search tool. So that is why we are installing DuckDuckGo, the search tool here. It is freely available. So we will use this one in our AI agent. And then in this line of code, once our DuckDuck search go is successfully installed, so in this cell, we are implementing a function that is DuckDuckGo search, and it takes a query, and we annotated this as a tool. So we will use this function as a tool to our AI agent. And here we are giving the description. So this is very important that you have to give the description when you are implementing a tool. And we are in the description we are saying like the argument, it take the query, and in return it will return a formatted list of search results, that is title and link or a no result message. So when once we pass the query to this DuckDuck search go, so it will return a list of links that contain the required information. And then here we are just formatting the results. We are just taking the title or href href from the results. So we are taking the top 3 results and we are formatting it in a proper string. So if we have results, we are formatting it in a proper string and returning it from this function. Otherwise, it will return no relevant search result found. And then we are implementing LLM with OLLAMA LLM, OLLAMA LLM model, and here we are passing gamma 2 with 9 billion parameters, as you can see here. And then we are implementing, or sorry, I can say we are initializing an agent. And this agent, we are passing a tool that is DuckDuckGo with like DuckDuckGo search. And the LLM, we are passing our LLM, and the agent type is zero short react description agent. So it is like it this type of agent, it will do reasoning and then generating the response. So it is kind of react agent. And then we are passing verb as true. So it will print the complete details in our logs. And now we will ask the question like, what is the current weather in New York, USA? So this time we are asking the question from the agent. So previously we asked the question from direct LLM, which don't give us answer. So we initialized an agent with a DuckDuck Search Go tool, and this tool will be used to search on the internet. And then once we run this cell, once we execute this cell, so here we can see it did it searched on the internet. So it thought I need to search on the internet for current weather in New York, USA. And the tool it used DuckDuckGo search, and the action input weather in New York City. So then it start observation and taking the information. It did some observation, and finally it accepts some of the links. So it search on the internet, and it check that these links, they have the information available about the updated weather. And the final chain and the final dot, it generate that to get the current weather in New York, USA, you can check website like Weather Channel or AccuWeather. So these are the links it provided here, like AccuWeather and Weather Channel like weather.com. So it provided these 3 results because we asked for the 3 results. So if we go here and we see like the max result is 3, so that is why it returned the 3 results here. And now, for example, if I search for if I copy this link and if I go on my browser and search for it, I will paste the link here and I will search for it, and it gives me the current weather in New York City, which is 6 degree right now. And the current date is 23 February. So it telling me the current weather is 6 degree in New York City right now. So this is how we can use AI agent to search on the internet with the help of this DuckDuck Search Go tool, which is freely available. Okay, so there are other tools like you can use Google Search API, but that is not free. So DuckDuckGo search is freely available. And now let's ask another question. So about and we can say like, write how to write hello world program in Java. And if we execute it, and it completed its execution, and the thought it generated like, uh, I need to search on the internet for instruction how to write a hello world program in Java. And the tool it used DuckDuck Search Go, and the input it provided to the DuckDuck Search Go function, it is how to write hello world program in Java, which is our query. And the observation, it search the results. So it get the top three results here. Okay, so if we just check on the if you open the link, so here we can see it give us the correct result. in which we have a complete tutorial that how to write a hello world program in Java from the very scratch. And the final thought actually it generate that is I can use information from the first result to learn how to write a hello world program. So this is the first result, and it takes the information and it gives us the complete code. So the final answer is here is a basic hello world program in Java. So it provide the main function, and then it explain the complete function like what is public, static, void, main, and string argument. So now let's ask the same question from the LLM. So here we have used agent, and now I will just copy this function and I will go on up here in this cells where we are using only the LLM, not an AI agent. I will paste it here, and if I execute this cell, and it return the response something like here how to write a hello world program in Java along with explanation. So it gave us the complete explanation like to install how to install JDK, and it gives the website link, and also right it gave us the basic code and the explanation it gave us. But this information it provided because it has the model has been trained with the information, but it model cannot work with the latest updates like if you are looking for the latest update about weather or news or anything like stock prices. So these in that cases we will use AI agents with different search tools on the internet. So guys, I hope you have liked the video, and if you didn't subscribe my channel till now, kindly subscribe my channel, click on the bell icon for latest update, and also like the video. Till then, see you in the next video.